Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So obviously today it's the 12th of November 2017 and it's the day of my display. Oh, that rhymed. So I've got all my stuff laid out here. Now I'm at the location, it's going to be outside today. I'm just unpackaging everything, taking everything out in there and stuff. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna take you back to, I think it was the 8th of November, where I filmed a short clip of me like setting this up, like Starlight and Jewel of the Nile. So yeah, so I'm gonna send you back to then so you can see some preparation.
Take it away.
And then I'll take you back to here and we can start setting up a flipping firework display. Let's do this. Okay, so preparation for my fireworks display is actually what day is it? It is the 8th of November right now, but you already seen me at the location ready, but right now I'm filming this before just to show you guys, like, sorry, I just went upstairs to show you guys actually what I'm doing, so it's not just a big surprise. So in here I've got all my shot tubes that I'm using for the show. So some of them are cable tied together and they're all fused and have an igniter connected already. And some of them just have a regular igniter in them. And these are the double whammy shot tubes, which means it's a double shot, which is cool. Put these in it. And then I've got my two enchanted fountains here. And I actually took the top off to see inside. But what I've done is I've put two holes here and here. And that is so I can put cable ties through it and cable tie it to a post. So that's what I'm going to be doing there. And I've already connected these fountains together. Added an igniter as well. And I mean these two here, little thing. But right now I'm about to, got this cake, this 16 shot aerial display, Starlight from Tesco, £15, very excited for this. Yeah, so I'm about to just add an igniter on a E-match from here. Got my fuse, my igniter, my cable ties. I'm just about to add a igniter into here, and yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done that. There we are, I have attached the E-match, where was it, in the firework, in there. I tried to remove the fuse, but remove the fuse, but it wouldn't come out, so I just trimmed it and left it in there. Just poked the igniter just above it or under or beside it, just there. What I've done for my Starlight cake there and Jewel of the Nile here, I've taken the top off so I can see down in the tubes, and I've replaced it with tin foil, so got a nice foil top here, and also I've put an igniter into this first tube. Apologies, I mean I'm very busy. I've got display in a couple of hours, so I'm working as hard as I can. But we're getting this set up, guys. I've just finished my board. I've got my double whammies split up there. All my cakes, or most of my cakes are set up. I still need to actually tape that down. Do that in a sec. But I'm going to start right now, hit into some time lapses for you guys. Show you guys this. But
like a time-lapse version. I mean, look, Gareth, thanks so much, Gareth. This is just like amazing. He's like getting the music on. Like we've got lights, LED lights. Here, look. So, them lights are gonna look sick. This music is gonna sound amazing. We've got proper big PA speakers. Got all of this to set up as well.
Don't show me love. No, 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 no. Don't show. Yeah. Don't show me love. No, 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 no. Don't show me love. Don't show me love. No, 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 no. Don't show. Don't show me love. No, 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 no. Don't show me.
What you can see I am doing here, guys, is I am fusing my enchanted fountains onto my posts. So I'll hit a time lapse quick now, and yeah, here we go.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Connected my enchanted fountains on there, so you'll see these tonight, nice and sturdy on there. Cool. We got some music on now over there, and you can see these lights. When the bass comes in, lights are having a little dance as well. Anyway, the lights having a little dance. What is this? Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I've done my colour vortex as well. Just attach the post. So yeah guys, look out. Gonna keep doing some more. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty dark, but and there's not much I can actually film because I've been super busy. Gareth has just given me this like nice little lamp, so that's perfect. So right now I am actually wiring up the show. Super confusing, but yeah, I'm actually wiring up the show. So there's not much point in me doing a time lapse, as like you won't really see much. So right now I just plugged these two little fountains into the module. So I'm gonna crack on, guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I know I haven't filmed much. The next clip will probably be the actual fireworks themselves. All the stuff is set up. We've got a lot of people here as well. All the stuff is set up. I am just now creating my, going over it in my head, making sure it's all set. So yeah guys. Okay, so just before the display starts, I just want to pre-warn you guys that I experienced quite a lot of technical difficulties with my firing system during the show. So the show actually didn't run as smooth as I expected, and to me it didn't really go how I wanted it to go. There was a lot of stuff that fired at the wrong time and that went when they weren't supposed to. So, and some of my modules just weren't firing, and I had to hand fire a lot. So there is a lot of gaps, and there is a lot of me going up there and hand firing. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it anyway, and yeah, here we go. Hope you enjoy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
me, but without you here, I feel so low. I want you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see the time hasn't changed a thing. I knew that I would love you till the day I die, and I will never want you much more. And in my heart, I will always be sure. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die.
Can you hear it? Ezra, can you hear it? Ezra is amazing. Oh, just hit me in the foot. Mum, this is rocket? One more and then the finale. Let's see.
Oh my god. So loud. Oh my god.
I've got two more.
That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know where to point the camera. Straight up. Yeah. Straight up. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Yeah! Again, again, again! Again, again! Again, again, Ezra! Here we go, again!
Guys, so the display is over. I'm not sure how good I filmed, but I had someone film for me. Anyway, guys, I think I might end it here because we've got a lot of cleaning up to do. There was quite a bit of a problem, as that a lot of the fireworks I shot with my system just didn't go off. They most of them lit, but they just didn't go off. So I think it was either that the fuse, I'll put that there for you. It was either that the fuse was damp, or the igniter just didn't light the firework. But yeah, at least, I mean, it's not really a fireworks display unless you have a few like messes up or whatever. Anyway, next one, whatever my next display, I'm sure. I mean, I'm always learning, so my next display, I'm sure I will do it without any mistakes whatsoever. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, like if you enjoyed the preparation, whatever, and hi, say bye, Mum.
Bye, Mum.
Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.
Don't show me love. No, 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 no.